Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the verification required issue on the App Store quickly and easily. First, open your device settings and tap on your Apple ID at the top. Then go to Payment and Shipping. This issue often appears due to a problem with your payment method. Check your payment details and make sure your card information is correct, including the billing address. If needed, remove the payment method and add it again. If you don't want to use a payment method, you can try selecting None as your payment option, but this may not be available in all regions. Next, check for any unpaid subscriptions or pending charges, as these can also trigger the verification message. Finally, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. Then restart your device. This usually refreshes the system and resolves the issue. Subscribe the channel for more videos.